So, Tony, can you tell us what's in the sky for this month?
Yeah, so actually, here's the March guide to what you can't see beyond the clouds. Anyway, but actually, the first thing I'll mention to you is something of our own devising. So remember that next week, on Sunday, you lose an hour of sleep. The other thing, maybe a little more pleasant, is spring begins on March 20th, and at 2 in the morning, although we'll have events here that afternoon and at night. The moon is full on the 20th. First, the evening sky, though. There's no bright planets in the evening sky except, well, Mercury is visible with some difficulty near the horizon, but planet Mars is the only sort of bright planet. It's far away now, so it's not nearly as bright as it was during the summer, and the moon will be close to it on the 10th, so there'll be a chance. The only kind of bright thing near the moon is Mars, okay, in the western sky. And in spite of the fact it's really too small to see any detail on through a telescope, amateur astronomers just using video and freely downloaded stacking software can combine images and bring out the little bit of detail that's there. In the morning sky, there are planets that are visible from the south to the southeast at dawn. So the moon will move away from the planets and become new a couple days later, but the planets will stay behind, and the moon will come back to meet them again at the end of the month. So you'll see them spread out a little more, but the moon will be between Jupiter and Saturn. And people have been observing these planets. Venus right now, it's also getting far away. It's moving around to the far side of the sun, so it's a waxing phase, but diminishing diameter. Saturn is getting up high enough now we can begin to see some detail, as is Jupiter. Jupiter's actually the highest of the planet, and here's a beautiful picture by Clyde Foster. Of course, he has Jupiter right overhead at dawn because he lives in South Africa.